You gotta start talking to the camera.
To the left, there's dump truck. To the left, there's another place they got the park, square park. Over here, play. Oh wait, most beautifulest thing here. Miniature horse. Watch. You sit on it, and you have sex with it. That's Shane. Get Shane. Here's a slide. I'll hold it. Like a big massive dildo. Reminds me of Emma for some reason. Here's a ladder. And then again, I just see a little midget hiding. This is my favorite slide. It's called the favorite slide. But there's always this June and Asian making out on my slide.
Making spiders.
Guys, let's talk to them.
Hi.
I'm the interview man.
Okay.
So, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
Shane, stop trying to make spiders with me. I can't get up. How are you doing this? You're the one on top of me. How can I get up, Shane? I'm out here. I can't. You get up, and then Jake can get up, and then Shane can get up.
You say hi.
I can't get up.
Beautiful face.
Jesus, Shane.
Okay, show the rest of the place. Tyler, show the rest of the place.
Alright, wait. We need to still talk to Jake and Judy. Alright, can you guys hug and get close for an interview?
Why?
Get off my shoelace! Jake. So Jake up there on Mount Everest. How does it feel to be all the way up there? Yes, can you stop moving your wiener up and down? Alright. Well, Jake's getting shut off. This is ABC, you fucking idiot. It's supposed to be appropriate. This is my favorite ride. I know I said a lot of favorite rides, but this is my true favorite. It's called the fucking police car. You take it. It's an exhaust pipe right here. It's called Old Betsy. And you go like this.
Say hi.
I love you, Emma.
I love you too. Can you get off my
No.
This is box swing, bitch.
Alright, this is the second interview of my career. So,